Recent updates from observatories around the world have drawn renewed attention to the interstellar object 3I Atlas. Astronomers have reported unusual variations in its brightness and behavior, prompting intense observation and debate. As more data has come in, the object has gone from a scientific curiosity to one of the most closely watched visitors ever seen passing through our solar system. 3I Atlas was first detected by the Atlas telescope in Chile in July 2025. From the beginning, it stood out because of its strange structure and unusual path through space. Unlike ordinary comets that originate within our solar system, this object came from interstellar space, making it only the latest known visitor of its kind. Interest in 3I Atlas grew quickly as astronomers noticed features that did not fit neatly into familiar categories. Its brightness shifted in ways that seemed irregular, and early measurements raised questions about whether its motion was behaving exactly as expected. These anomalies triggered a wave of follow-up observations from major observatories and space agencies. Part of the reason for the excitement is that humanity has seen only a handful of confirmed interstellar objects. In 2017, Oumuamua shocked scientists with its highly unusual shape and puzzling acceleration. In 2019, 2I/Borisov appeared more like a conventional comet, with chemistry closer to what astronomers already understood. Now 3I Atlas has emerged as perhaps the most mysterious of them all, challenging existing models in new ways. Initial estimates suggested that the object's nucleus could be anywhere from a few hundred meters to several kilometers wide, placing it among the larger interstellar objects ever observed. Its size alone would make it important, but its composition and behavior are what truly set it apart. As telescopes continued to monitor it, researchers recorded unusual changes in both brightness and color. At first, it did not behave exactly like a typical comet. Some observations suggested odd patterns in the way material was being ejected, and its appearance evolved as it moved closer to the sun. Eventually, it began to resemble a more familiar comet, developing a tail that extended away from the sun, but several puzzling characteristics remained. Spectral studies added even more intrigue. Scientists detected chemical signatures that appeared highly unusual, leading to speculation that 3I Atlas may contain material unlike that found in ordinary solar system comets. These findings sparked a wide range of theories, from rare natural formation processes to more dramatic ideas about an artificial origin. That speculation spread rapidly in public discussions. Because interstellar objects are so rare, any strange feature tends to inspire theories about alien probes or advanced technology. In the case of 3I Atlas, those ideas gained traction online as people tried to make sense of its unusual light patterns, chemistry, and motion. But as more observations came in, the picture became more grounded. According to the latest reports, 3I Atlas passed perihelion on October 29 and is now moving away from the Sun at roughly 61 kilometers per second. Current observations do not show any confirmed abnormal acceleration. Its trajectory appears to follow the expected gravitational model, which weakens the case for anything artificial. Even so, the object remains scientifically important. Its chemistry and physical behavior still do not fully match what researchers would expect from a normal comet. That is why observatories across the world, from Hawaii to South America and Europe, continue to collect spectroscopic, radiative, and compositional data. Scientists are refining orbital simulations and comparing every new measurement in hopes of understanding what kind of object this really is. The most likely explanation is that 3I Atlas is a natural object, but an unusually strange one. Rather than being evidence of alien technology, it may represent a rare class of interstellar comet formed under conditions very different from those in our own solar system. If that is true, then its value is enormous. It would offer a direct glimpse into the chemistry and structure of material created around another star. There is also strong interest in whether spacecraft near Mars may have helped provide better observations as the object passed through the inner solar system. A closer look at such an interstellar visitor could offer insights impossible to get from Earth alone. So far, however, the newest imagery seems to have raised as many questions as it answers. For now, 3I Atlas continues on its way out of the solar system. By next year, it is expected to be gone, likely never to return. Its visit is brief, but the scientific impact may last much longer. Whether it turns out to be a highly unusual comet or something even more exotic in natural terms, 3I Atlas has already reminded us how little we still know about the objects drifting between the stars. In the end, that may be what makes it so compelling. not because it proves anything extraordinary about alien life, but because it forces us to confront the limits of our own understanding. Every interstellar visitor carries a story from another star system, and 3I Atlas may be one of the most mysterious stories we have ever had the chance to read.